Ilang sandali pa matapos ang kanilang naging task, si Princess nagbukas ng saloobin kay Lela.
Actually, I had a hard time adjusting here. Lalo na yung energy talaga, grabe.
Yeah.
Siyempre, naubos din ako.
Alam mo, hindi mo kailangan may pagsabayan. Kung sila matataas sa energy, okay, ikaw kalmado ka lang. That's the thing. Iba-iba yung personalities natin, magkakaiba-iba tayong tao. Like, if hindi ganun yung nafe-feel mo, huwag kang makisabay. Don't try to fit in.
Sa friends din. Parang, alam mo yung may nasa group setting. Yung parang ako parang, hey guys, ano pag-usapan? Hey guys, feeling left out.
Hindi yung parang sila mismo lumalapit sa'yo na, uy, princess, ganito, ganyan.
Kaya when that happens, I always try to fit myself. Kung paano sila. For example, ganito kasi mas gusto niya. So maybe if I do more of this and less of this.
I think you just need to be yourself.
Yun na nga. That's what
Kasi you're trying to fit in eh. And dun pa lang, mali na eh. If magsa-start ka ng friendship, una pa lang mali na eh. Nag-start na sa mali. Alam mo, if you be yourself, kusa sila lalapit sa'yo.
Siguro yun yung isa sa crisis ko ngayon.
Yeah. Yun yung first step mo. Magpakatotoo ka. Tignan mo kung sino yung lalapit sa'yo. Tignan mo kung sino yung tatanggapin ka talaga ng buo. Masyadong na mahirap yung buhay eh. Hindi mo na kailangan ng taong mas magpapahirap pa. You just need someone na pampagaan lang. Which is a friend, a really good friend. And ako, honestly, you deserve that. Everyone deserves that.
I feel so good. Thank you. Thank you, Lela.
Welcome. Basta,
I needed that pep talk.
yep.
Can I hug you?
Yes.
Basta. Thank you.